on you with their friends, girl. You got it.
Lily! Rose! Get out the car, bitch.
Say hey.
Vlogging,
As you should, Rose.
Y'all look good.
As you should.
Let me see some. Let me see some. Let me see some.
We need some money. Say, stand by. Say.
Nigga asked us who we want. We want the one in the red. Yeah, that's who we want. I just tried Hot Wings for the first time.
Ooh, oh, we should have recorded it in the inside.
It was amazing. Okay, let's show you some of the places they got.
The one we did.
Be real with me, keep it 100, just be real with me. Eat it up like it's a feast. They say the dope on fleek.
Percocet pill on me. I saw my nigga, baby, chill with me. Them niggas that bustin' up back don't say nothing. Them niggas are kill for me. Back as I can in my sleep on fleek. And they can't spend on that daddy for leave. Bitch, I'm a dog in my tree. Hop out the frog and leave. I put them bricks in the fender. My bitch, she walk around like she was Jenner. I used to break in the emma. Then take out running like the game of Temple. It's simple, I play with a mental. Mama say she saw me on Jimmy Kimmel. Canada, cause I'm a money symbol. Walking with the rats, I'm looking crippled. Fuck on that bitch, then I temple. A nickel for me to take pictures. Not from LA, but I clip her. Double my cup or a triple. Sauce on my body, no biblical. I'm not your average or typical. Look at my wrist and it's critical. Hold it up, dropping the temperature. I get that back on the regular.
Got a boomerang for Instagram. Get in my bed. My shit look good.
Burn my finger.
Happy birthday, Rose. Alright.
Alright, make a wish.
Alright, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Right, we gotta turn the lights on.
Yeah. Set the tone.
Right, turn the lights on.
Do it right or do it. Don't do it at all. Alright? Wait, bitch, it burned. The R. It burnt the way. H is burnt the way. Okay. You gotta hurry. You should have did that toward. This don't know how to work the lights at all. Alright. Come on, the thing is going. Gotta be quick.
Happy birthday to y'all.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Leo. Happy birthday to you. How old are you? We ain't got time.
Yep. We 25, she's 27.
Someone. I ain't gonna play with her. We need a knife. I know, right? You need a knife?
Yeah.
D-Lo.
And some plates.
I can't connect it to the Wi-Fi. I don't know what's going on with this.
How big you want it?
Okay, so is anybody playing a game or are everybody being whacked?
That's they all everybody is that a piece of plate.
No! Challenge it, bro. We got one time already.
You gotta do more. I'm about to make y'all some good food.
Oh my
Gotcha.
God. What?
straight together.
Maybe when it thawed a little more. It's still good, but like, Rose, you want a piece? Anybody want a piece of cake? I didn't know.
You're making no ice cream.
Yes, you keep on, huh?
Happy birthday, homie.
Y'all missed it already.
Yeah. Happy birthday, homie. Me? Yeah. I want that piece. I'm trying to, bro, who is you, bro? You ain't the cake distributor.
I was trying to help you out.
You trying to give me that fat ass lump.
What? That was perfect. Here, come put your plate.
I'll put the plate right here for you, though.
Which one?
I want the man.
Like this?
Yeah. I want that big ass chunk of.
You could have just wiped it off, like.
Right here, like cut right here. Let me get a big ass piece. Let me get two of the big ass things. No, this way. Yeah, turn it around. Y'all lucky I ain't popped the top on this motherfucker. That's the crazy thing. I waited.
So you don't want that blue
I want that.
This one?
Yeah.
Alright.
You know how black people do, they don't cut my name, don't cut my face.
Right.
Lady wants the cake.
Here, she can have this one. That's what they want.
I want my cake out the car that we need to go get.
Jazz, can you hear that cake?
Repeat.
The name.
Down here.
Tommy!
How you get my name away?
He asked for it.
Yeah, put that on.
Not in there, though. Don't put it in there. Sit it on the floor.
What the fuck is this?
She don't want it? We didn't get your piece, boo-boo.
No, she was trying to put it on. Hold on, Tommy. Yeah, instead of over there,
Yeah,
it's gonna mess up.
Come here.
Peanut butter, no jelly. Hell, cereal, no milk. Pure cup, rah-rah, I won't eat. Just a little small piece.
Yeah.
She about to fuck her. I need a piece like that.
You need a cake? You need a fork here? Why? You about to go to sleep in the cake?
What you feel to heat? Be real with me. Keep it 100. Just be real with me. Eat it up like it's a feast. They say the dope on fleek. Fuck a set pill on me. I saw my nigga nigga chill with me. Them niggas that popped in the back don't say nothing. Them niggas are kill for me. Back as I count on my shit on fleek. And I can't spend on that patty for leave. Bitch, I'm a dog in my tree. Hop out the frog and leave. I put them bricks in the fender. My bitch, she walk around like she was devil. I used to break in the camera. And take up running like the game of Jenna. It's simple, I play with a mantle. Mama say she saw me on Jimmy Kimmel. Canada, cause I'm a friendly simple. Walking with the rats, I'm like a cripple. Look on that bitch, then I temple. A nigga for me to take pictures. Not for my leg, but I cripple. Double my cup for a triple. Sauce on my body, no biblical. I'm not your average, just typical. Look at my wrist and it's critical. Hold it up, drop in the typical. just repeated what she said.
Now we all been in the house having conversations. You said she's a flip flop. There's been a lot of that. I don't have time for this.
Oh, Mariah and Aaron Natalie ass out. Look. 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 Look.
Of hearing her nonstop.
Hey, welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to the channel.
It's the bitches. Oh.
We litty, big titty.
It is. It's just I ain't pulling it hard because it's hurting.
Go.
We going to see Funny Marco, y'all. Where we going?
Laying in the crib. We finna go see Funny Marco. We finna go see Funny Marco. We need to be drunk as a skunk or high as a kite. Because we're gonna go see Funny Marco. We're gonna laugh our fucking asses off.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned, bitches.
Shit. Rolly, I'm sick of her.
Rolling to her.
She got lipo, I think.
No, she got booty then.
She got a BBL.
That booty.
Alright, y'all. It's Sunday night. We finna go see Funny Marco. And we finna make some white, green tea shots.
Okay,
White.
say it again. White green
When I
tea,
say-
y'all.
When I say white, no Jameson. We drinking Reposado. Donato. Okay?
Dad, you look cute on my camera.
Period.
Ah.
Now these are some strong.
We finna go see Marco, y'all. We finna laugh our fucking asses off. But,
Yo, hook over here is it's burning.
where the peach at?
We just gonna do it.
Oh, I mixed it.
It wasn't strong to you?
No, cause it's going through. It's going through.
It's gonna have to work.
Nah, for real. Like, I ain't even look your way. Honestly.
She said, I ain't even looked your way. That's fucked up.
Didn't even put you through that. Okay, you got big diz. Okay, not
Marlon.
the little one.
The little one.
When you get the body.
That weak ass shape.
Ooh, she looking at me.
Teeth look good too.
Okay.
Okay, hey. Let me see.
I still got my shot. I ain't take it yet.
What is that
Girl,
shit,
take
bro?
this.
Bitch, I had about 18, feel
Okay,
like.
yeah, take your time. If you don't want to repeat it, let us know.
That's flat.
Me knocked out one.
No, because it'd be leaving from the...
I was gonna say, well, you're not the bartender. You the bartender.
I need like a little cranberry, little one, two. The dog be down here just by the feet every time, getting stepped on, like, and screaming.
You don't hear the.
No, I feel like I talk normal.
No, you. The dog is down here by the feet.
Hold on, give me a little. Des,
Exactly, so...
you should have like double. You gonna be laid the fuck out. She gonna be like, I'm ready to go on the phone. Ah,
So go ahead.
bitch, I'm riding with you, so you can't go on. Fuck you, talk. Really?
Really?
That's what Big Des giving.
Yes!
Is it giving Big Des?
Giving little mama.
We got DJ motherfucking Rob.
What the fuck?
So right now we're on our way to the Funny Marco show. Say hey, everybody.
Hey! Yeah! We finna go laugh our asses off. Period. Funny Marco, if you don't finish tonight, I'm gonna tell you.
Yeah, if you ain't,
Because what are we doing?
if he ain't, Right, I wonder do he get all the money?
In the interview with Ari, he said, you didn't. She looked at him like, what?
Because he's out of order though. Like, literally. No way.
What's that, baby? You mine, baby. You don't never want to lose me. Let me show y'all my outfit. It's cute. Look at my booty. Oh. The bra. Look how shitty my shit is. Yeah. That phone ain't right. Oh, it looks better right here. Look.
They might ask it, put it away, but if your phone, you're good to go. Yeah, you can have your phone. We'll be under.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Bitch, we outside. Some steps, no joke. Look. Look at us, some steps, no joke.
Still breathing.
Trying to act like I'm good.
This morning, but tonight he's a sex symbol, so make some noise right now. Give it up to my brother, Funny Marco.
Like you good, but you ain't. You know what I'm saying? It's like if somebody say you sleepy, like type shit. You know what I'm saying? So I want you to say it, and I just want to hear how you'll pronounce it. Let's say it. So I want you to say type shit.
Type shit.
Okay. Okay. And what is your race again? Okay, you're right. So when you go home, say that to the kids, okay? Yeah.
I already have.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Let me get my hand up over here. Is your question? No, keep it right. Keep it a motherfucker, Mike. Look, are you single?
Yeah.
Come here. Come up here real quick. You got a nigga? Now you tripping on my jacket. I'll take this bitch off. Yeah. I'll take this bitch off. Wait. Pause it. Hold on, wait. She from Chicago. Take this shit. Hold on. Yeah. All right, play the shit. Yeah, come on. You from Chicago? Come on, let's do something. Come on. Okay, cut. Okay. I didn't fuck up. Okay. I love you.
She just fucked up like the girl.
Hold on, before I continue, listen. Stop recording, y'all.
Shut up. Nigga, we fine. We good. She needs to be